Okay, today we are going to study Unit 3. Enough is enough. Who can tell me about the economic growth, the economic growth and the consumption? Who know the meaning of inequality? What is the meaning of poverty? What is the meaning of being poor beside a rich community?
Miss, I know that poverty, that you're poor, you don't have enough money, you can't pay for your food, you can't pay for your house rent, maybe.
Very well. What else? Who can tell me?
I can. I think people need economics is the study of how people use resources to produce goods and services and distribute them, like the money movement, right?
Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. Okay, economic growth means increase in a country's wealth and production. You know what? Like the which we mean by this word, like developing countries, when we pay more attention for our society, invest more in our um, in our wealth and so on. Okay, such an example is like that. Economic growth creates new jobs. Okay, Fine. Okay, we will have new words today. We have to keep them like wealth gap. What's the gap? What is the meaning of wealth gap?
Wealth gap,
Yes.
maybe the difference between the poor people and the rich people. There's like high rich people, and there's poverty for some people. They can't even pay for their food, so there's a gap between these people. Difference.
Thank you. Very well. Thank you. Who can give me an example for the worst gap? Okay, the example is that the worst gap is increasing in many countries. Okay, the meaning of poverty you already mentioned. Okay, life expectancy. What is the meaning of life expectancy?
How
It
people
means
live,
that the average. Okay,
how many years people live.
very well. The average number of years the people live.
Yeah.
An example for this expression is that life expectancy has improved globally. Okay,
Uh,
literacy rate. What is the meaning of literacy rate?
The number of people or
Means
average of people who can they are
raise
living
your
and
voice.
can read. Can you hear
Dalia,
me
raise your
now?
voice, please.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, but raise your voice.
Okay. I said it's the percentage or the average between people who can learn, write, and read. The learn people.
Very well. It's the percentage of people who can read and write. Okay. An example is that
Yes.
the global literacy rate is improving. What is the meaning of income?
I
Income.
can,
In that.
like allowance,
Okay.
money that people earn from week, maybe month, um, like allowance that they live with it.
Very well. It means money people can earn from work. Money people earn from work. An example for this word, higher income usually improves living conditions. Okay, the other expression is consumption. What is the meaning of consumption? Consumption means buying and using products. Okay, buying and using products. An example for this word is that modern economics depend on consumption. Um, can you understand this meaning of not?
Maybe not.
What?
Uh, maybe the consumption. I don't.
The people who buy
Right,
things
right.
and use it. Okay, consumption is the buying of
Okay.
products. Okay.
Oh, okay.
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 Okay. The other expression is that resources. What is the meaning of resources? Resources.
The materials.
What?
Materials. Right,
Materials.
materials.
Okay, it's the natural materials used by people, like gold, fuel, and so on. Resources. Each country have its resources, like the Gulf. Okay.
It's
Okay.
the raw
Natural
material.
resources on Earth are limited. Natural resources on Earth are limited. So we have many wares. Okay. What is the meaning of technology? It's a simple expression. Technology. Who can
Machines
define it?
learning.
Very well. And what else? It's a kind of machines and digital systems that improve efficiency. Okay. An example for this word is that technology helps industries grow faster.
I can. I
Another
can. Technology.
okay.
Right. Technology is the application of science to make tools and systems that improve our daily life, like
Oh, thank
smartphones,
you.
computers,
Mm.
the internet, AI, right?
Very well, thank you. The last expression will be steady state economy. The steady state economy refers to what? Who can give me
It's an
an
economic
expression?
system. Economic system.
Please raise your voice.
Yes, it's an economic system where the size of economy stays stable. It's keep the economic system stable and it keep it growing continuously.
Okay, I think your voice is very low. You have to raise your voice again.
Uh, I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Now it's still very low.
Okay, just
Okay, who can tell me what is the meaning of steady state economy? Who
Is the
else?
stability of growing.
Very well expression. It's an economy that stops growing and remains stable. An example for this expression that some economies support a ready state economy. Now, we will study the key concepts from this unit, um, which are economic growth. Economic growth means that the increase of goods and services produced by a country. Economic growth means the increase of goods and services produced by a country. It can lead to more jobs, higher incomes, better living standards. Um, However, it may also cause environmental damage, increased inequality, overconsumption. Um, okay,
can
wealth
you hear me now?
inequality means that the difference between rich and poor people. Wealth inequality means the difference between rich and poor people. Some countries have large wealth, gaps where a small group owns most of the wealth. Like what? Like which country? Who can give me an example for this wealth inequality? Which country? Which country we can find many poor people and little rich people?
The undeveloped countries.
South
Undeveloped
Africa,
countries?
Kenya.
Uh, Undeveloped like Palestine, Syria, Lebanon, these countries.
Undeveloped countries, and I think all countries. I think all countries.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we can accept Europe. We don't fight this wealth inequality. Okay. Consumption means buying and using goods and services. Modern societies often encourage people to buy more products, increase spending, and maintaining economic growth. What is the meaning of consumption? Mean buying and using many products, even if we don't need. Okay, even if we don't need, they encourage us to use many products. Limited resources refers to the limited natural resources such as water, oil, forests, minerals. If economic growth countries indefinitely, these resources may become scarce. Okay, we have to focus in this unit on the following grammatical rules, which is the the gerund the gerund verb, which consists of um, the verb plus ing. In English, some verbs are followed by the verb while others are followed by the verb using plus ing. The verb plus infinitive, the verb plus or infinitive verb, which is like want, decide, plan, hope, try. This is the infinitive form of the verb. Example, people want to improve their living standards. The using of verb plus ing, common verbs like avoid, which will be avoiding, enjoy, which will be enjoying, consider, keep, suggest. Example, governments should avoid increasing inequality. Okay, can you understand the structure of the verb plus ing? Who can give me a sentence using the verb plus ing? Give me an example about the verb
I
using
can.
plus ing. Okay.
We should we should improve. Sorry. Uh,
Okay, take your time. You can tell us about
The schools, the
okay.
schools should raising the education levels.
Repeat again, please. I didn't hear you.
The schools should raising the education level.
Oh, very well, thank you. Who else?
Avoiding too much sugar can improve our health.
Okay, very well, thank you. Thank you. I think we understand this grammatical rule. Okay, useful expressions from this unit will be like that. I believe that. What is the meaning of I believe that? It equals what? I think that. In my opinion, it's the same meaning. In my opinion, I think that or I believe that. From my perspective, also have the same meaning. It seemed that all are the same expressions. give us the same meaning. Okay. In my opinion, economic growth improves living standards. Okay. Students can use these expressions when discussing economic topics. You think because you are um, not specialized in this field, so you can use expressions like I believe, in my opinion, from my perspective. When you talk about some topics you don't know many information about, you use some expressions like I believe, from my perspective. It seems like that. Okay. Who can give me an example using
I
such
can.
That
expressions?
I'm not sure.
I can.
Yes.
Okay, Noor, go on.
Okay. In my opinion, education is the key is the key to success.
Very well, thank you. Um,
Yeah.
who else? Dalia, you didn't speak.
I believe that education is very important.
Very well. Who can use from my perspective? Who
I
else can
can.
add?
From
Okay,
my
go on.
perspective, technology is very important in our lives.
I think so. Very much. Thank you very much. Agreeing about someone's opinions. Agreeing is having the same opinion or point of view. I agree with that idea. That's a good point. I think that's true. Disagreeing is like the following expressions. I'm not sure I agree. I see your point, but I think another idea. I have another idea. I think the opposite is true. Okay? Agreeing and disagreeing means having the same or not the same idea with the other person. Okay, who can you, yeah, you have in groups, in two groups. Each one of you will give us a kind of a sentence using one of these expressions, and the other will add a disagreeing expression replying on him or her. Okay, into groups, working groups. One will give me agreeing, sorry, and the other will answer him using a disagreeing expression. Okay, I
Could you
can
give
mention a very simple. Okay, okay, go on. No,
could you give us an example?
Dalia, go on.
Yes.
Raise your voice, please.
It's like I will choose one of the discussion topics here. One about population growth, maybe.
Vibration growth. Okay.
If if we said population growth can have a positive or negative effects on the economy, we can start here and give an examples. Some will agree with this topic or this sentence, and other will say no, it's have just positive effects on the economy.
Yes, you are trying to give an examples of the agreement and the disagreement. Okay, give me a sentence. Give me a sentence.
Um, Maybe a rapid population growth can harm the economy or harm the economy if the resources are limited or less.
Okay,
I
you
agree
can
with this
use
sentence.
um, you can use the expression of effects. Effects.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You want me to choose any of this expression and say the sentence.
No, no. Use the expression of effects, bad effect or good effect on.
Yes, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but the rapid population growth can harm the economy like that, or I didn't understand actually.
Okay, you can say that rapid population growth leads to or had a bad effect on um, the global economy. Okay, who can agree?
Yes.
Who agree with Dalia and who refuses her opinion? Who agree with Dalia? Yes, use the following expressions. I agree with her, or disagreeing like I'm not sure she is
Okay.
okay.
In
No,
my opinion, population growth can help the economy. When the population grows, there are more workers and more customers. Okay, this can increase
okay.
production and economic growth. So I agree with Dalia. I agree.
You are agreeing. You are agreeing with her opinion. Okay, very well.
Right,
Thank you.
right.
I didn't hear you. Can you repeat your word?
You want
You
us
can
to
add
give
a sentence.
some examples and discuss it?
Who can add to these sentences? Another two persons. I want a conversation between you. Someone adds,
I can
and
give a sentence. Should I
repeat
start?
again, please. Okay,
I want to say a sentence. I think studying online is more effective and better way than studying face to face.
mhm. Who agree with her and who disagree and why?
No, I disagree with her actually because somehow I am a person that didn't like the online learning
You
and
didn't like? Why? Give me the reason for your
Oh,
opinion.
I agree with
I
Rahaf.
found
I agree with Rahaf about distance learning. I think it's very useful because students can study from home and save time, maybe. So it's very helpful for students.
yes,
Okay, I
I know
think
it's very helpful, but some people feel not comfortable to talk with people who don't know or don't see them.
unable to
Uh,
concentrate. I think.
Yes, I am a person who don't like online sessions actually. I like people to learn face to face and see the person who I learn with him and who teach me and discuss with him when we are in a class and share our opinions, our thought, our learn. I think I am a person who like that.
Okay, in our case, which is useful for us? Online teaching or offline teaching? In our case,
And
Online
our
teaching.
yes
I think
with
we
war
need or
and
we, okay,
yes, I can keep with the war in Gaza or this war in the world with Iran and America. I think online session it's very good for us. I don't. I
very
agree
useful
with that.
for, okay.
Yes, it's very
So this
useful.
idea is very, okay, I can hear you. Continue
Yes,
your idea.
uh, yes. I say when the normal cases the learning with the group in a class it's more useful but with war and learning widely with another persons in the world yes online it's very useful.
Okay, I think in such a global crisis like this um, where we have to find some some useful ways of having our lessons. Okay, even in the Gulf area, they are having their lessons nowadays online. Like you, I think they are having you the same cases like you. Now, look at this picture. Look at this picture. What can you see? What can you see? Look at the
High
buildings.
buildings. Looks like a modern city.
You like have a lot
It's a modern
buildings,
city.
many
Look at
buildings.
the two kinds of the buildings. What can you see? We can see
It
that
looks like rich or high buildings and small or normal houses.
very well rich place beside the poor place. Okay,
It's a
problem that the
skyscraper.
picture show. Okay, what
A
problem? What
skyscraper.
that the picture show?
Yes.
You can discuss what poor people are living besides the rich people. Okay,
Yes.
these
We
buildings refers to poverty, inequality, and the wealth gap. Um, do we have here urban problems, and social differences? I think
Yes, we
yes.
have. Yes, we
Yes, we
have.
have a wealth gap and social differences. Okay, okay. Who else can give me his or her idea about this picture?
I can.
Another opinion, okay?
Yes. We see in this picture skyscrapers, buildings, and small houses. That mean here a rich people and poor people living together. It seems like a modern city or a modern country here. Uh,
Mhm.
show the gap between these people. I didn't find. Show the gap between these peoples, poor and rich peoples, and people. Sorry, uh, and
Do you
the
have this kind of
inequality
living in
between
Gaza
them.
before war? Did you have this kind of social gap in Gaza before war?
Mm,
There is a different actually between the social gap and the traditional gap between them and
I think in Arab world, we have this gap. We can find very rich people and high class people living beside, and um, I think they are very few people have the most wealth of the country living beside the poor people. In Egypt, for example, we can find districts very wealthy districts besides very very poverty districts. Okay, we have to listen now
yes,
to this audio.
yes, I agree with you in this point.
Yes.
We have this worth uh, gap between us and Arab world. So this is
Sorry,
come back
Nursel,
to challenge. Yeah.
Noor, please
The-
repeat your opinion again. I'm sorry.
Okay. I said that I agree with you. Yes, we have this world gap between us and Arab world. That's come back to economy. Sorry, a difference. The the difference economy between us and them. So that's right.
Because of what? Because of what?
Yeah, because the economy, the difference of economy.
Difference of you can say that they have a natural
Yes, they have
income
natural
more than
materials. Yeah,
okay
right,
natural income more than our countries. Okay.
right. More than our countries,
um,
they have more natural materials like water, like elements,
I
uh,
think the
a
Gulf
lot of
are rich
yes,
naturally. The Gulf area are rich naturally.
right.
Okay, let's listen to this audio.
Miss, did you turn the record, the audio? Did you turn it on?
Can you wait a minute, please?
Miss, we can't hear the voice.
1 minute, please. I can't hear you. Um, who was asking me something? You didn't hear the voice?
We were telling you that we couldn't hear the audio.
You didn't hear the audio?
No, because the internet issue. We was telling you that we can't hear the audio.
Okay, I will repeat it again.
Miss, if you turn it on, we still can't hear the audio.
You can't hear the audio? All of you can
No,
hear?
Yes, I can't hear.
Only you can't hear also? Okay, give me 1 minute, please. Give me 1 minute. Hello? Now I will repeat this audio again.
3.1 World Watch Quiz 1.
UN experts estimate that the total number of children in the world will remain at around 2 billion throughout this century. After a long period of constant increase, this peak level was reached at the end of the 20th century, as the average global fertility rate dropped from 5 babies per woman in 1950 to 2.5 in 2000.
2.
Tragically, 7 million of the 135 million children born each year die before the age of 5. But the good news is that this is a huge drop to 1 in 20. This will not cause faster population growth, as women are more likely to limit the size of their families when child mortality drops.
3.
The average life expectancy globally
Can you hear me now? Have you
Yes.
any
Yes, we can.
We'll continue now.
is 70 years. As recently as 50 years ago, it was 60, and most of the longer lives were being lived in developed countries. Today, the average of 70 years applies to the majority of the world's population.
4.
Today, 80% of adults in the world are literate. The biggest recent improvements in education have taken place for girls. In poorer countries such as Bangladesh, there are now as many girls attending primary and secondary schools as boys.
5.
A family in extreme poverty cannot be sure of having enough food to eat on a daily basis. Figures from the World Bank show that the number of people living in extreme poverty has fallen from 2 billion in 1980 to just over 1 billion today.
6.
In surveys over recent decades, self-assessment of where people feel they are on the happiness scale has resulted in slightly lower scores than half a century ago, despite significant increases in living standards.
7.
During the first 12 years of this century, the average level of debt per adult increased by 45%. In some countries, the UK, for example, it doubled.
8.
The richest 10% in the world own 86% of global wealth. At the top of the pyramid, the concentration of wealth increases further, with the top 1% owning just over 50% of global assets.
Now, who can give me the main idea of this audio? It's about what?
This audio talking about that there's some kids died before 3 age, so they died early, and there's some adults also died. Most of the people who live like in the modern countries, so maybe because of the nutrition and poverty.
Very well, thank you. Another idea. Who can give me another idea? Noor? Okay, Daria, give me one idea about this.
Yeah. So it mainly talks about the distribution of wealth among the people around the world. So it's saying that only 1% of the world has 50% of the wealth. So it's like unfair distribution of wealth among the people of the world.
Okay, I think you answered the last question. Very well,
Yeah,
thank you. Okay.
thank you.
Who else can give me his or her opinion about this topic? Now, okay, we have to answer the following questions. Number one, who can read? Number one, Did you concentrate in the audio? Did you concentrate on the
Right.
audio? Can you answer the
Yes.
following question, or you need to listen
Yes.
to the audio again?
Uh, I can answer.
Okay, the first question. Read.
Okay. In 2000, there were 2 billion children, 0 to 14 in the world. What numbers is estimated for 2100? I hear that 2 billion.
2 billion. Why?
Why I think were
Okay,
2 billion
okay,
children,
okay. Thank you. Who
right?
agree? Okay, all right. Who agree with her and who didn't agree or disagree with her?
I disagree. I heard that it dropped to 1 billion.
1 billion. Why?
No, I heard that it just maybe because of the healthcare. It's getting more healthcare and more vaccination. Maybe this is the reason.
Sorry for this interruption. Okay. Who disagree with her and why? Who disagree with her? The
Um,
first.
yeah, I disagree with her because I heard that it dropped to 1 billion. Maybe because of healthcare, it's getting better. Maybe vaccination for kids.
Okay, very well. Thank you. I will I will not give you the answer. After this session, I will send you the audio for you and you will listen again and answer the following questions, okay? Number 2, who can read the second question?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
Uh, 50 years ago, 1 in 5 children died by the age of 5. Now it's 1 in 20.
1 in 20. Thank you. Who agree with her and who disagree? The second question. Who have another answer and why? Okay, the third question. What is life expectancy in the world as a whole? What is life expectancy in the world as a whole? I think it's a simple question. The answer is clear. Who can tell me the answer? Okay, who can tell me the answer?
The answer is 70 years.
Very well. I think we all know this question. It was clear. Thank you. Number 4.
It was 80%.
80 or 70?
No,
Sorry?
it's
Oh,
20%.
I heard 80%.
you heard 80. Okay, who disagree with 80% and who agree with 20%?
I
I
agree with
agree.
the 80%.
You agree with 80%. Okay, okay. Who disagree with the 20% or who agree with this idea? Now, can you hear me?
Yes.
Right.
Have some interruption. Excuse me. Give me a minute, please. I will return after 1 minute. Excuse me.
Take your time.
Excuse me. I'm back again. The third question. The third question. No, I think we were in the fourth question. 2 added the answer number D, which is 80%. Okay. Number 5. Who can read and answer the question number 5? Okay. Who can add the answer?
I can decreased. Number 5. It was decreased. Poverty actually has decreased.
Okay. Who else?
I agree with her.
You agree with her?
Yeah.
Why? Why? Give me your opinion.
I
Who
think
agree?
because
Okay.
the developing in the economic and growing with it, it decreases the poverty between.
Okay. Who disagree with this opinion? Who disagree with this opinion? Okay, number 6. Americans median family incomes have increased by 85% since 1957. Their assessment of their own happiness has what? Increased by 20% or 50 or what? Who can make?
Decreased by 5%. I hear that.
Very well. Who disagree with this answer? Who disagree with um who disagree with this answer? Okay,
No,
number
I
7.
I agree
You agree
her.
with her.
Uh,
Okay, you agree with her. Number 7. Who can answer this question? Between, okay,
yes, between 12
read and
and
answer. Read and answer.
2012. Yes, between 12,
2000,
sorry, between 2000 and 2012, the global average amount of debt per adult increased by 45.
45%. Thank you. Who can give me another answer? All of you agree with her or disagree with her? You all have the same answer? Okay, number 8. The richest 8% in the world own of the global world.
86.
86. Okay, it was clear. Very well, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, it was so, yes, it was clear. I agree with that.
Yeah, you agree with her. Okay, who disagree with her? Any one of you another answer? Okay. Now we will have this assignment. We will listen to the audio again and answer these questions. Send your answers. Um, how um, how you um, how you send your answers to Mr. Muhammad in this group or in another group? The assignments.
Actually, he usually uh, doesn't offer from us any assignments, so I don't know.
He 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 doesn't ask for any assignments.
No.
I think we will have this simple assignment. You have to listen to the audio again. You have to listen to the audio again, okay? Now we finished this lesson. Um, you have this assignment. Send the answers in private if you like, or on the group, okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you later. I will give you each Friday, but I think the next Friday we are unable to attend this session. We can okay.
It's Eid.
كل سنة وانتم
Oh, it's
طيبين.
Eid. Yeah,
كل سنة وانتم
because
طيبين. يعني we may have another day. We may have another day before or after the Eid, okay?
No problem. It's
okay.
okay with us.
Okay, see you later, and I will wait your answers after listening to the audio again. Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank
attendance and the
Ni-
participation.
nice to meet you, teacher.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye bye.